Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm showing you how to connect your Stan store to your Instagram bio, so people can start finding your offers and buying from you 24/7. Here's why this matters. Your bio is prime real estate. It's the first place new followers look. It's where curiosity turns into clicks, and clicks turn into customers. If you don't have your Stan store link in your bio, you're missing opportunities every single day. Now here's exactly how to connect it. Step 1. Get your Stan store link. Inside your Stan dashboard, you'll see your store's link at the top. It will look something like stan.store, your name copy, that full link. Step 2. Open your Instagram profile. Go to your Instagram app. Click Edit Profile. Step 3. Paste your Stan store link into the website field. Scroll down to the Links section. Click Add External Link if you don't have one yet, or click to edit your current link. Paste your Stan store link into the URL box. For the title, optional, you can write something simple like Shop My Offers, Download Your Free Guide, Work With Me, Digital Storefront. Pick a title that matches what you're mainly offering. Step 4. Save changes. Click Save. And now when someone visits your Instagram, they'll see the clickable link in your profile. One tap, and they land right inside your Stan store. Quick tip: update your bio description to match your new link. For example, you can write, Start here, free guides, plus mini courses, or ready to launch. Grab your digital starter kit below. Small tweaks like this drive more clicks and conversions.